Anthropic just brought back its most powerful AI model. And right now, there's a way to use it without paying a single rupee. No subscription, no waitlist. I'm going to show you exactly how step by step. This is Claude Fable 5, Anthropic's newest Mythos-class model, sitting above even Opus in their lineup. It launched on June 9th, but 3 days later, Anthropic had to pull access because of US export control rules. Those rules were lifted at the end of June, and official access came back on July 1st. So this model has barely been out in the wild, which is exactly why people are hunting for ways to try it. There is actually one way to use it for right now. This route doesn't need any Claude subscription at all, and that's what this video is really about. ZenMux. ZenMux is a third-party AI gateway. Think of it as one dashboard that gives you access to over 100 models. Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen, all through a single account and a single API key. It's not run by Anthropic. It's a router that sits on top of official model providers. And right now, they're running a limited-time free promotion specifically for Claude Fable 5. Here's exactly what's free. If you're on ZenMux's free plan, Fable 5 shows up ready to use in chat. No extra setup. If you're a pay-as-you-go or API user, you call it using the model dclaude-fable-5-free. Either way, you're getting a model with a full 1 million token context window. And it works with Anthropic's Messages API, OpenAI's chat completions format, or the newer Responses API. Let's actually do it. Step 1. Go to ZenMux.ai and sign up. You can use Google or Apple. It takes about 10 seconds. Step 2. Once you're in, go to Models, then Step 3. Open the Model dropdown and search Fable. You'll see Claude Fable 5, free in the list. Select it. That's it. If you'd rather use the API, grab your key from Settings, then Keys, and just drop Claude-Fable-5-free into the model field of your code. It's compatible with the OpenAI SDK format too, so most existing code barely needs to change. Want to use Claude Fable 5 as chatbot? Click on Chat there. You can enable web search, enable artifact, upload files, or images. Let's put it to work. I'll give it a real coding task. Write the simple homepage for QAX Labs, an open-source project-making YouTube channel. And just watch how it handles the reasoning and the file context. This is the kind of long, multi-step task Fable 5 is actually built for. Autonomous coding, long-running agents, deep research, not just quick one-line answers. Quick heads up before you go all in. This is a promotional offer, not a permanent feature. ZenMux themselves have called it limited time, so it could shrink, add limits, or disappear without notice. Always check the current terms on their site before you build something that depends on it, and remember, since this runs through a third party, you're bound by ZenMux's terms, not just Anthropic's. If this saved you some time, drop a like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns like this every week. Let me know in the comments if you tried Fable 5. I'm curious what you built with it.